Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Transformer Patio Conversion Set is a modular outdoor patio set that has multiple color and size options. The pieces of the set can be fit together in various seating configurations. In our testing, the seats were comfortable, durable, and supportive. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. Let's start with our performance tests. At Modern Castle, we took subjective measurements of 5 different performance factors of the set. In the case of this set, it has 3 different types of cushions: seats with arms, seats without arms, and table pieces. Across all 3 cushion types, bounce was moderate. To test this, we bounced a 12-pound medicine ball on the seats, measuring how deeply the ball compresses into the cushions and rebounds up. The acrylic fibers of the cover and polyfoam cushions create enough bounce to help you move around easily without being overly bouncy. Sinkage performance between all cushion types was similar, with all 3 having minimal levels of sinkage. We placed a 12-pound medicine ball on the cushions and measured the sinkage depth. Only a small amount of the ball sank in, and as you sit on the cushions, you can feel they are meant to be firm, durable, and supportive. Pressure relief across all of the patio set was fair. The polyfoams inside the cushions don't provide a significant level of pressure relief. You don't sink into these cushions like you would an indoor sofa. These cushions are meant to be durable and withstand various weather conditions, including storms. Ultimately, these design choices gives the cushion and pillow a more firm and sturdy feel. That said, it's still comfortable for an outdoor furniture set. While pressure relief may be lacking, support was not. The frame is incredibly sturdy, and the firmer feel of the cushions creates a highly supportive surface to sit on. With the overall design of the patio set focusing on durability, the cushions turned out quite firm. I would rate the firmness at a 7 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. Next, we'll move on to the assembly process and overall modularity of the patio set. Assembling the Transformer Patio Set took some time. It comes in 2 large boxes on pallets with lots of packaging and cardboard. Unpacking the various pieces alone took 21 minutes to complete, and that was before we even assembled the set. From there, completely assembling the furniture took 23 minutes. It started off slow as we had to figure out how to connect the arms and familiarize ourselves with the pieces. In total, it took 2 people 44 minutes from boxes to an assembled piece of furniture. That said, as we set up the various pieces, we found attaching and detaching pieces was not difficult and fairly intuitive. Simply by leaning the main body of the seat, you can slide the arm piece under and hook it into place. From there, you can attach the bracket to more firmly secure it. This leads to the Transformer Patio Conversion Set being highly modular. It can be placed in various arrangements to seat different numbers of people. If you don't need all the seating space, the seats can be stored away by inserting the armless seat pieces into the armed seat pieces. This makes it easy to store the unneeded pieces when needed. In addition, the table pieces double as ottomans or footrests by simply placing one of the thinner cushions on top. All that to say, the major selling point of this set is the modularity. While the pieces look nice and the seats are comfortable and durable, the customization, modularity, and internal storage are the real reasons to buy. Regarding the design of the Transformer Patio Set, I would say I'm pleased with the final product. The wicker used across the back, base, and seats has a nice look that is also highly durable. The furniture set we tested has already been through multiple severe thunderstorms, including an Arizona dust storm, and came out the other side unscathed. While some pillows and cushions were blown off with the wind and needed to be retrieved, no lasting damage was done to the seats, tables, or cushions. This is largely thanks to the materials used in construction. The wicker is weather and UV resistant, high-density polyethylene resin. The cushions and pillows are covered in acrylic fibers that are stain and mildew resistant. Before they ship, they are finished with a special coating to enhance water repellency. The legs and frame are fairly basic and meant to not be seen, but provide support. The base is made of aluminum and is quite sturdy. The seat cushions for the Transformer set are well designed, being polyfoam covered in weather-resistant fabric. The bottom of the cushions have a woven mesh that provides grip for the cushions. When placed on the seat frame, that mesh can help keep the cushions in place. When the weather was nice, the weave functioned perfectly. However, during stormy weather, we found some of the cushions were blown off in the wind. It would have been nice to see some way to latch the cushions to the seats if needed. I'm considering adding a few double-sided pieces of Velcro to help keep the seat cushions more securely in place. Included with the Transformer Outdoor set is a number of pillows based on the size you purchase. They are covered in the same weather-resistant acrylic as the cushions, and are filled with a polyfiber filling. This gives the pillows a more plush feel that is great for placing as a back cushion. The tables are a fantastic addition to the whole set. Not only do they provide a table surface when needed, but they can also act as a footrest. By simply adding a cushion on top, the table becomes a great place to rest your feet. The Transformer Patio Set has various options to choose from when purchasing. It has 2 different color options with 4 different size options. With each option, the lowest number is the most compact that each respective set can be configured as, while the upper range is the largest available. For example, we tested the 6 to 10 piece patio set. The smallest configuration is 4 standalone chairs and 2 tables, while the largest configuration is 4 standalone chairs, 4 armless chairs, and 2 tables. The total dimensions can vary based on the arrangement of the pieces. On screen now is a table with dimensions of the individual pieces. Shipping can take 5 to 10 business days depending on the delivery location. Shipping is free as long as your order is over $999 within Canada and the US. If you're not happy with the product and wish to return, you will need to pay for shipping and keep the original packaging. After the product arrives at their warehouse, they will inspect the product and give a refunded amount based on results of that inspection. I would recommend the Transformer Patio Conversion Set if you are looking for a highly modular outdoor furniture set. The seats are comfortable and the set is a good design, but the modularity cannot be overstated. Seats can be pushed into other seats, attached together, or detached to create full couches, individual seats, armed and armless chairs, tables, ottomans, footstools, and more. Armrests can be removed or attached as needed, and all this can be done relatively easily. In addition, it has a highly durable design with the base and cushions being weather resistant. Within just a few weeks of testing, our set had already been through several severe thunderstorms. It was able to handle the wind, dust, and weather with ease. Overall, if you want an outdoor set that can fit any occasion, this is a great option. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope it found helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the patio set, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.